I want you to be filled with this one idea. Decide today, from this moment, whatever may happen, I'll continue to unclutch. I am going to have the constant, intense practice. Tirkakala Nairantarya, committed and intense practice of unclutching. This very decision will unclutch you. After practicing is secondary. This very decision will unclutch you, will solve everything. The moment you take this decision, your mind will start moving, saying, no, 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 if that depression comes, you can't unclutch. If this fear comes, you can't unclutch. If this desire comes, you won't be able to unclutch. It will tease you. If you say, no, I am going to be unclutching constantly. Whatever may come, I am going to be unclutching. Then it will create the fear of death. What will happen? If you die, you think you will unclutch? Who will pay your bills? Who will pay your insurance? Who will pay your this? Who will pay that? If you take a strong understanding, if you bring firm understanding, no, whatever it may be, I am going to unclutch. That one strong will, suddenly mind unclutches. Patanjali explains beautifully in the next sutra a deeper method, a deeper layer of the same understanding. Next sutra is about Vairagya, the conscious withdrawal. He beautifully describes the deeper layer of this technique. The conscious withdrawal from the objects of the senses at the body, mind and spirit. He explains about the conscious withdrawal for this eternal unclutching. We will see about this idea tomorrow. Go to the deeper layers of this idea tomorrow. Let you be filled with this one understanding that decide that committed and intense practice of unclutching makes one firmly established in a higher state of consciousness. Only that makes you established in a higher state of consciousness. Many people think they are professional seekers, they don't need to practice. I have seen. No, I practiced all kinds of techniques for 10 years, 20 years. Nowadays I don't practice anything. I just read and go around and listen to some things. Understand? Just because you are senior, don't think without practice things can happen. Maybe in the outer world it will happen. If you are a senior lawyer, you don't have to do anything. Just have few juniors, they will do everything. If you are a senior accountant, you don't have to do anything. Just your juniors will do everything. It will work in the outer world, not in the inner world. I have a story for you. An accountant goes into the pet store. I'll read it out for you. I don't want to miss a word. An accountant goes into a pet store to buy a parrot. The store owner shows him 3 identical parrots on a perch. The parrot on the left costs $500, says the owner. Why does that parrot cost so much? Asks the accountant. It knows how to do complex audits, says the store owner. The guy asks, how much does that middle parrot cost? Asks the accountant. That one costs $1,000, owner replies. He says, it can do everything the first one can, plus it knows how to prepare financial forecasts. Accountant asks about the third parrot. it costs $4,000. Accountant asks, so what all that one can do? The store owner says, to be honest, I have never seen him do anything. But the other two parrots call him as a senior partner. Maybe in the outer world, if you are senior, you don't need to do anything. But in the inner world, practice, practice, practice. Even in our mission, I have seen these guys, the moment they become an organizer or a senior devotee or think that they have become senior devotee, they don't do any meditation. It's okay. Now I have to only teach. Understand, the senior accountant works only in the outer world, not in the inner world. So whoever you may be, practice has to become eternal. Actually, when you decide the practice is eternal, suddenly the whole thing gets unclutched and practice ends there. When practice ends, there will be nobody to practice. As long as there is somebody inside you to practice, practice. As long as there is somebody inside, something going on inside, unclutch. Only where there is nothing, then there is no unclutching. When the unclutcher disappears into unclutching, unclutching ends. Till then, unclutching continues, continues, continues. So, continue your unclutching till the unclutcher disappears into unclutching.